Hindi napigilan ng masamang panahon ang pasiklaban ng mga kandidata ng Mutya ng Pilipinas o MPP Pampanga 2026 sa kanilang pre-pageant competition nitong July 12. Ginawa ito sa The Lakeshore sa Mexico, Pampanga, na isa sa matagal nang sumusuporta sa naturang local pageant.
Actually, parang 3-4 years na nag-support kami kasi we believe naman kahit anong mutya or whoever na lumapit sa amin, where our doors are always open. Kasi alam namin na tulungan naman lagi sa industry na to. So nakikisama tayo. So whoever would want our help, we will always be willing to support everyone.
Unang sumabak ang 12 candidates sa closed-door interview kung saan sinagot nila ang iba't ibang tanong mula sa panel of judges na kinabibilangan ni na Provincial Tourism Officer Mike Castañeda, kilalang pageant organizer na si Tony Legaspi at Chef Felix Asuncion. Naging positive raw ang first impression nila dahil sa ipinakitang husay at kahandaan ng mga kandidata ngayong taon.
Well, what I can say, this batch, all the girls are really on fire. No, they surprised me with their wit, their confidence, and their experience basically. No? Kasi ang deep ng mga sagot nila, and it just shows that Mutya ng Pilipinas, Pampanga has come a long way.
Namangha naman si Chef Felix sa mga advocacy ang ibinahagi ng mga kandidata sa closed-door interview. Kabilang sa mga isyong binigyan din ng mga kalahok ang edukasyon, karapatan ng mga kabaihan at food security.
Well, I've attended a lot of this type of pre-pageant, and what impressed me the most is actually the advocacy of each and every candidate that were in. It's really amazing as well. At the same time, nakakatuwa na at their age, at their level, on their platform, they're speaking different advocacies. And one of the things that I really want, actually, yung food security. One of the candidates shared about food security. And alam naman natin that food security is a national security. And that's actually what impressed me the most. And of course, second is, yung kay Lagwanda rin Kapampangan. Mga lagulat at mga biyasa.
Samantala, ayon kay Castañeda, may ilang kandidata na rin dito ang may experience na sa local pageant, tulad ng Mutya ni Kapampangan na may tuturing na malaking bentahe sa kompetisyon. Anya, malaking bagay ang mga ganitong karanasan dahil nakatutulong ito sa pagbuo ng confidence, paghahanda at pagharap sa mga hamon at pressure ng pageantry.
Actually, when I counted, parang 4 candidates of this year's MNP Pampanga came from different years during the Mutya ni Kapampangan stages. So, their experience at the provincial level, particularly at the Mutya ni Kapampangan, for sure has taught them to be stronger, to be even prepared for this Mutya ng Pilipinas Pampanga, because it will for sure taught them lessons on how they could prepare themselves to overcome and to manage stress and anxiety, and of course, the physical demands and financial demands of pageants as this. And for sure, handang-handa na silang i-represent ang ating beautiful province, and so many various national platforms, not just in beauty pageants, but of course, it could be in showbiz industry, in business aspect, and content creation world.
Matapos ang closed-door interview, all-out naman ang pagrampa ng candidates sa swimmer competition na kinagiliwan ng mga manonood at kanilang fans. At habang mapalapit ang Grand Coronation Night, nag-iwan ng mensahe si Castañeda para sa mga kandidata. Anya, higit sa korona at mga premyo, mahalagang baunin ng mga kalahok ang mga aral, karanasan at pagkakaibigang nabuo sa kompetisyon.
Please do always enjoy the show. After all, this is a production show. So, isa lamang ang ating pipiliing mananalo ng natatanging korona ng Mutya ng Pilipinas Pampanga to represent our province. Kaya you really have to accept the reality that there will only be one winner, one beauty queen after all these struggles of the segments of the categories you'll be competing on. Kaya you always have to enjoy para maging friendly competition lang nito. After all, may mga takeaways kayo dyan. It is not just rely on the cash prizes and the crown, but of course, the lessons and the learnings will be coming from the organization, from your sisters, co-candidates joining this same competition, and of course, from the people that will idolize you, that will support you after this competition.
Ako si Jody Dizon Mercado para sa CLTV 36 News.